Good morning, children. Welcome back. Welcome back to first class of grammar, lesson 1 sentence. So we are going to learn sentence. Okay. So you are already aware with this. It's not a like very new topic for you people, isn't it? I hope so. No problem. If any one of you don't understand, no problem. We will start from the basic. Okay. So let's start. First of all, understanding the definition. What do you mean by sentence? Okay, it's very important to know the definition. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. If I say the boy on is, are you able to understand anything? No. So sentence means it is a group of words. It should make complete sense, understandable to others. Understood? It should not be like that it is understandable to you. The listener should understand what you are saying. Understood? So sentence means group of words that make complete sense. Meaningful sentence. Second point, what it should have. It must contain an action, word or verb. Verb means all the action words are known as verb. Okay. For example, here you see fell, asked. Understood? जो तुम काम करते हो उसको बोलते हैं verb or the action word. Next, it also contains a subject or doer of the action. Who is doing? For example, see here. I asked her. Understood? Who is the subject here? I. Every sentence should have subject. Some sentences may not have object, but subject is must. Without subject, the sentence is meaningless. Understood? So, every sentence must have subject. Here, subject is I. Understood? कौन कर रहा है वो action? उनको बोलते हैं subject. Third point. It should also contain a subject or doer of the action. Already I discussed that. Next. Fourth point, some sentences as I told you before also, some sentences include an object. That is, object means what? The person or thing that undergoes the action, the receiver of the action. If I am saying, I asked, kisko? Who is the receiver of my action? Action is what? Asked. Asked is the action, verb. I is the subject. And who is the receiver of my action? Her. Understood? In the same way here also. The fruit. Fruit is the subject. Fruit is the subject. What is the action? Fell. Which is also known as verb. Who is the receiver? Fell on whom? Lion. So this is object. The lion is the object. Here, her is the object because they both are the receiver of the action, fell and asked. Got it, children? Next point, sentences begin with capital letter. This I have told you while teaching first chapter of English, who did Patrick's homework. Every time a sentence must start with a capital letter. The letter of first word. See here, the. Doesn't mean that the whole letter should be in capital. But the first word and the first letter of that word should be in capital. So it's always begin with capital letter. Then they end with, now we are talking about the end. They end with a full stop. Full stop. Understood? If it is a simple sentence, then full stop. A question mark, if you are asking question, what is your name? Understood? What is your age? How old are you? So all these are questions. So whenever you ask question, you will put question mark. An exclamation mark, this is exclamation mark. A sudden feeling, understood, which is very difficult to express. When I, for example, wow, what a beautiful girl she is, isn't it? A sudden expression, a sudden feeling, a surprising feeling. Then at that time you will use exclamatory mark. Okay, children. So this part now, this full stop, question mark, exclamation, we will be coming later on to that in detail. We are having in that I will teach you in detail in next part. Okay, this is just for your information that sentences should begin with capital letter, it should have full stop, it should have question mark, it should have exclamation mark. Okay, now we will move on to exercise. Exercise 1 and exercise 2. Exercise 1. Tick the group of words that are sentences and cross out the ones which are not. So you have to tick mark. I have written here yes or no, but you can put tick and cross marks. Understood? Tick against the right one and cross against the wrong ones, which are not a complete sentence. Okay? Sentence means a meaningful, which makes a group of words which makes meaning. Understood? So let's start. First question. Swimming is a good exercise. It is understandable. Understood? Swimming is a good exercise. It is understandable. It is meaningful sentence. So yes, it is a sentence. Mylapore Chennai is in. What is it? Are you able to understand anything? Mylapore Chennai is in. So it's not a meaningful sentence. Plastic cups. I say only plastic cups. Kya karna hai plastic cup? Kya karna hai? Kuch nahi. Nothing is mentioned. So it is an incomplete sentence. So no. Grace is 17 years old. It is meaningful. Understood? You understand what the speaker want to say. Into the tub. What into the tub? So no, it is not a complete sentence. Is it a sword? Question mark. Yes, it's a complete sense. It is making a sense. Understood? Is it a sword? Kya wo sword hai? Wet and green lawn. What wet and green lawn? The meaning is not clear. So no, it is not a sentence. Far away from Nilima's house. What far away from Nilima's house? Nilima, dur, Nilima house se dur. Kya dur? What the speaker want to say? It's not clear. So no, it is not a sentence. Light paperweight. No, it is not a sentence. It doesn't make any sense. One of Sankuram's parrots is dead. Yes, it is making sense. Okay, now next, exercise 2. Order the parts to make sentences. Add correct punctuation. Punctuation means, children, I explained you before in the beginning of this chapter that a sentence must have full stop, question mark, if you are asking a question, exclamatory mark, which expresses a sudden feeling, a surprising, a shocking feeling. So that what do you mean by punctuation? Full stop, question mark, exclamatory mark, all these marks are known as punctuation. So these are the jumbled questions given to you. You have to arrange it in a proper meaningful sentence with correct punctuation. Okay. So let's get started with the first question. We'll go to Russia in December. Our football coach. So the correct answer is our football coach will go to Russia in December. Second question. The TV who turned off? Who turned off the TV or fan? Question mark. Asking the question. Third, the girl is Amisha riding the yellow bicycle. Answer is the girl riding the yellow bicycle is Amisha. Simple sentence. So full stop. And first letter capital. Next, the crystal vase who brought on the shelf. Who brought the crystal vase on the shelf? Question mark, because you are asking question. Fifth question. To fix the fan tomorrow in the bedroom, call the electrician. Answer is call the electrician to fix the fan tomorrow in the bedroom. Full stop. Okay. Next. Sixth question. This statue, 400 years old, of a dancing woman is. Answer. This statue of a dancing woman is 400 years old. Full stop. 7. Is how marvelous the new sea bridge. How marvelous the new sea bridge is. Exclamatory mark. Sudden expression, कितना अच्छा है. Sea bridge. So expressing your sudden feeling. So exclamatory mark. Could you from the bookstore get me a school atlas on Patel Road? Answer. Could you get me a school atlas from the bookstore on Patel Road? Question mark. Understood? Next, the name pet parrot of your. What is the name of your pet parrot? Asking questions. So question mark. Below 12 in the magic show, children not allowed are. Children below 12 are not allowed in the magic show. So children, hope you understood the first part of this chapter. Okay, so I will be sending PDF of the same. Okay, so children, go through it. Okay, if you have any doubt, we will be clearing out in the online session. Okay, every Monday and Tuesday we are going to have online session. So you can clear out all your doubts in that session. So that's all for today. Take care.